Biolab ramp. So, seagrass are flowering plants, not true grasses, that grow in the shallow waters of sheltered coastal lines. Underwater beds of seagrass provide protected habitat for nursery areas and for many kinds of fish, mollusks, and give me 1 second here. Crustaceans. Seagrass beds help keep the water clear by trapping sediment and stabilizing the bottom with their roots. And yeah, so these are the different kind of animals, and this is the different kind of seagrasses that there are. Right there. And this is, sign is cut. These signs are pretty sun hit with the sun rotten. It's a little boat ramp out here that they got. Take a step on this boat ramp here. Check out the water. Beautiful Florida coastline. Get any better than this, guys. Beautiful out here. It's nice and quiet. Extremely quiet. See the storm coming off the coast over there.